Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video on Sazon's Magic Corner. Today we have an unboxing of the Fate Reforged Clash Pack. Specifically, a Japanese one. I sort of ordered this because I wanted some of the promos for EDH, so let's get cracking. Find the unboxing knife. Excuse me with my noobness as I try to cut this open. There we go. There we go. Sorry about that. The two decks. What else do we get in here? A lot of paper. Is there any sort of rules box or something in here? Oh, they're deck boxes. I didn't know that. Cool. Yeah, they are in Japanese as well, and a divider. Ah, it's big enough for both decks. Sweet. So, deck box with dividers. Pretty cool. A magic rules guide. I think this is the one that shows you the steps of the turn. My kanji isn't very good, Japanese at least. That's pretty cool. So and the usual how to play guide that nobody actually uses. So let's get started. The Sultai deck, I believe, and the Golgari deck. Let's start with the Sultai. Well, the one with the Necropolis Fiend, at least. So, let's see. Necropolis Fiend. Hero's Downfall. Sultai Ascendancy. Scuttling Doom Engine. Monastery Siege. Typhoid Rats. Some enablers in Civic Wayfinder, I believe. Sultai Skull Hunt. Cool card, I like this guy. It's Merciless Executioner. Let's see. Gurmag Angler. Don't know if everybody saw Patrick Chipping running this guy at the Pro Tour. Some opulent palaces. Lots of basics. They're going, oh, hey, cool! These are Fate Reforged basics. I thought they would be cards. Sweet, and they're all the same art. So that's pretty cool. For a draft set or something. Nice. And the sideboard for this, the spells, Despise, and all, Naturalize, some charms. Ooh, Murderer's Cut. Sweet. Some treasure cruises that are, well, no longer legal in Modern because they got banned. But, obviously. Well, Dead Drop and an... Is this the Herald of Torment guy? Yeah, cool. So obviously I bought this for the promos for EDH with the Downfall and the other guys. Let's go for the next deck. The one with the Reaper of the Wilds on top. Let's see. That's a pretty badass looking. Crystals Kruvix. I don't know if any of you guys have seen the English ones. Sorry about that. I have to cough. The English versions they foil a lot differently than the Japanese ones. They have the same sort of foiling as the Sieges has in normal. Whip of Erebos. Brain Maggots. You know, your intro level Constellation deck, some lands also. So yes. These are all same art? Nice. Are these first the same as the other ones? That would be pretty cool. They are. No. Wait. These were not Fate Reforged. Wait, what? Oh, some were Karms, some were Fate. Huh. No. Sort of forget that the cards supposed to show Tarkir 1,000 years ago. Some spells. Dark Betrayals, Debilitating Injury, Plummet, Night Howler, Idle in the Blossoms, and Doomwake Giant. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing and little review of this product. Subscribe if you enjoyed, and ta-da!